Miniature scene videos that look creative and eye-catching can now be made in minutes using AI, no animation skills required. Start by opening your browser and searching for Steve AI, then open the platform and explore the video generation options. From there, choose the text-to-clip feature to begin creating your scene. Now describe your idea in a detailed prompt. For example, tiny people interacting with everyday objects like food, tools, or environments. The more imaginative your concept, the more unique your video will look. You can fine-tune settings like video duration, format, and layout to match your content style before submitting your request. After a short wait, the AI generates a complete miniature-style video with creative visuals and smooth motion. The result feels playful and highly engaging, perfect for social media or creative content. Once your video is ready, simply download it and start using it. This approach makes creating miniature scenes fast, fun, and incredibly easy for anyone.